Here I'm going to show you how to add a custom image to your Microsoft Teams webcam background. Now what you can do here is when you're just getting into a Teams meeting, whether you're the one creating it or if you're a participant joining someone else's meeting, you're going to be met with this kind of preliminary screen where you can configure your settings before you actually join that meeting, whether it's one that you created or one that you're joining. Now make sure your webcam is set or toggled to on, and then look for the background filters button right here. And what that can do is open up a menu where you can choose from a variety of different backgrounds or effects to adjust the background that's behind you on your webcam feed. Now what you're looking at in my webcam is the actual room that I'm in. I have nothing set to on right, so you're actually seeing the room that I'm sitting in. And you can choose blur as the basic, just blur your background. This is useful if you're working out of home or you just don't want students seeing what's behind you and focus the attention just on you as the presenter. The blur effect works good enough. It's not perfect, but you know, it is what it is. It's relatively new to Microsoft Teams, so it's far from perfect, but it gets the job done. You can also select from these preset images where you can make yourself look like you're in a different room or in a different place, like a beach or just around colors or some sort of artwork or anything like that. You also have the option to add your own custom images. Now, before you would click this Add New to add a custom image of your own choosing behind you, you'd want to make sure you have the image saved to your computer somewhere, whether it's to a downloads folder, to your desktop, somewhere that you'll know where to find it and what it's called. You can find images on Google and save them, or you can upload them from your phone or a USB device, anything like that. Just make sure you know what it's called and where it is saved, and then hit the Add New button. You can navigate to it and select it, and it'll put your own custom image behind you, which can be helpful for two reasons, because you're avoiding the distractions of the room behind you, or if you don't want students seeing what your house looks like or something like that. But then you also get the added benefit of introducing some more personality to your Teams meetings. Whether it's your favorite movie or something like that, you can help your students get to know you a little bit better. So that's how to add your custom images or effects to your Teams webcam feed. And after you've got everything set, you go ahead and hit Join Now. That'll put you in the meeting. And I just want to, before I wrap this up, I want to show you how to set it on the fly. Because let's say you forgot to set your custom background and then you're in the meeting and then you realize, oh shoot, I have to turn that on. You don't have to quit the meeting, but you can just quickly go up to the top of the screen. Let's let mine load here. Look for the three dots where it says More Actions. If you click that, you will see the Apply Background Effects option is listed there as well. Now keep in mind we are in the meeting right now, so the participants will actually see you changing this in real time if you don't set it up at that preliminary menu. And here you can preview and apply different settings here. And then once you just hit that apply and turn on video, that will get you back in the meeting where people can see whatever it is that you had set in your settings. Okay, that's it. Have fun.